So, yes, I actually started this for a very selfish reason. I want to solve my own problem. But the more I actually go into it, right, I actually literally open up a whole can of worms. So, I believe most of you actually understands the danger that is posed on this logo over here that you can see on screen. But not for her. So these are some of our customers that we first approach, and they don't understand the meaning of these logos. And in this industry that she works in the car wash or auto detailing industries, most of them are in much lower educated, and they do not have the luxury or the ability to understand most of the things. And to add on, the detailing industry is actually much more regulated. Sorry, not so regulated. So there's not much protection on them. And they have to deal with chemicals 10 hours a day, 313 days a year. So it's easy to tell them that, oh, look, just wear PPE and then you get your problem solved. But you have to understand that it then will create other problems for them. It's not as efficient for them to work. And then it's also more troublesome and not comfortable for them. And if they cannot work as much, that means they'll earn less. And when they earn less, it's going to be very difficult for them to survive. And the last thing that they have an issue with is actually, to them, if the chemical does not hurt them now, that means it's not dangerous to them. But this is not how chemical works. It actually will collect in your body and it will harm you in a long period of time, which they don't understand. When they find out, it's already too late for them. So it's very difficult to change the behavior of people. So what we do is that we actually created a range of nanotech coatings and products that can be used on multiple surfaces, such as paint, plastic, metal, or almost everything. It creates the ability that allows the surface to be protected from environmental aging, makes it a lot easier to clean, much more chemical resistance, also corrosion resistance as well. And all this can have the ability to last for 2 years without harming the environment and the user that is using it. Not only that, it reduces the usage of water and hazardous chemicals in cleaning the surface by up to 50%. These are some of the grants and awards that we have received during our past 5 years in Malaysia. We are very happy to, in the past 5 years, in this 5 years' time, we are able to penetrate into over 50 countries, creating more than 3,000 micro-entrepreneurs, creating around 10,000 over jobs from that. For us, we are not so worried about competition because we are more like, we're wanting to make the first step to get people to our competitors to understand that, look, you can actually do more to create green products, get them people worried, and then they'll follow suit. So we are actually on the track on doing that. And these are some of the future markets that we are going to move into in the near future, where we will allow our current established users to earn more and to have a better living from there. And so if anyone wants to learn more about our coatings, I can actually hook me up later at the lounge area. Thanks.